Hey guys, Marcus again with MachMotion. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use our automatic tool setter. Let's jump over to our control. So all you have to do is, I've already got it on the tools tab. I have the tool setter already pulled up. Right now we've got 3 currently. So I'm going to do 1 through 3 and auto measure, press our cycle start. And the machine will take care of the rest. And there you have it. It's that easy. Instead of taking 15 or 20 minutes, or maybe even more, you can just use our programs to do it in just a couple minutes. If you like that content, please like and share and smash that subscribe button. We'll see you the next time.